Right everyone, I'm back now. Sorry, it is a new camera and its battery only lasts an hour, so I have to be careful. So I'm going to continue with this book, and let me just see. It's getting rather heavy. I put the tasseling on, as you can see, which I love. I'm quite happy for that to be like that. I've got the wording to put on there. I'm not sure about anything else yet. Don't forget, I'm going to go back and fill it in. I need something here, leaving that page as it is. I do like that. The tasselling's beautiful. We put that one on last. You didn't see that. Like I say, it ran out. I just got these leaves put on. I did those, and it ran out, and I'd put the tassel on. So let's have a look. We've got that. I made that little dangle. It was all the little bits of pearls I had. Put it on a pin. So I'm not sure. I know that's a pocket there and a pocket there. Then we've got this one. Now, that's the pocket. So obviously I need the leaves for that. But I want to do another page. It's the pages that need to get done before I have my operation, otherwise I'm going to be stuck. So I'm just going to look and see what I've got in regards to adding bits onto the page. And oh, I've got that. Okay. I'm just trying to use up what I have. Let's just see what we've got. Yeah, I like that. Although I do have that one as well. If I can make that the pocket. I need to cover a page. And I've got those. I'm not sure about that yet. Plus that one. For now I'm just going to leave that, because like I said, I need to make the next two pages. I'd started this one, so let's get this one started while the glue gun's heating up. And I can leave the page, see, like that, and that'll fit perfectly. I'm not bothered about this hanging down, although I can do that. So I'm just going to make sure that sticks there properly. Not bothered about it hanging over. I kind of like that. To one side like that. That's a page. So now what I need to do is to start putting a pocket on there. So let's have a look. That's it. Quite happy with that. There's a nice pocket. So obviously I'm going to need a flower on that. Now I did make some flowers, like I said, as well. You just bear with me. Okay, right. So what I'm going to do is I've just got that little bit. Oh, it just fits perfect. It's like it was made for it, isn't it? Just like it was made for it. Like that. Perfect. When you can't open that flap, and there is that there, but it's fine. And then what I'm going to do is to add this. Now I want it like that, and I like the layers, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to use it on there, so it's like you open it. You don't, it's just pretend. This is the organza 25mm. So let's have a look. Do the same as what we did before, which was to cross them over. You just cross what now. If you're going left over right, keep it that way all the way around. If you're going right over left, do the same again. You get the same flower, but it can get a bit confusing. So I've cut these about 7 inches long. Now it's up to you how long you do them. The longer you do them, the bigger the frill you make. So now we're getting back to the beginning. Make sure they're all the same way. Just let's cut this tail off. Oh. And then you just pull this together. See, pull it in like that and you're getting that beautiful. Now I'm going to leave mine loose a little bit. So I want to spread that flower out a little bit more. And I want an oval bling in that. So I'm going to go back to my tub of bling. A bit big for the type of flower, but it actually looks quite nice. I'm going to push that in and that lifts up that flower. Like that. That's it. And I might put some pearly bits from there, hanging from there. I do like that. Just hold that in a little bit. It doesn't. I don't want to cover those scallops. At all. I don't want to cover those. That's it. And then just that one. On there. Like that. Trim that top off. Where the scallops are. I'm not fussed about this because we can just trim that down. Like that. God, it's getting bulky. Let's just cut that. I see them poking out. So, like that. Yeah, I'm fine with that. So that's another pocket that we've done, a nice deep one there. So we need some corners on that. And I may just use these flowers now that I know Tatty will have pink. Batman, that's too pink. I know she loves pink, but that's just too pink. Too pink. No, not doing it. Sorry, Tat, they're just too pink. They just don't look right, that ribbon. And I'd rather use these. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to use these in the corners. Going from there to there. Like that. Like that. I think, yeah, you don't want to overdo it, and I don't want to take away from that gorgeous flower because we haven't finished with the trimmings yet. Yeah, and it matches that. So let's have a look, and then I can put the trimmings in. But I think I only need half a flower. Let me just thread my needle again. Half, because I've got that there. I don't want to outshine that one. Sorry, I hope I'm up on filming. Again, fold that bit back. Like that, and we do the same with that side. That's about right. Lift it up a little bit, so it's just like an open flower. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. And then what I'm going to do is to stick these little flowers on in the middle, like that. And then I get my gold bling and whatnot. Where's my gold bling to match in with that? Yeah, I like that. See, they don't even have to be full flowers. And we've still got a nice deep pocket there. Yeah. Now, obviously I'm going to decorate these bits and pieces. I'm not just going to leave it. So it's like an eye in the pattern. The shape of the rice bead, so I'm going to do it. like that. Just a little bit more decoration. And I've got these two here because I can put that on there and just lift that up. It doesn't matter if it's sticking out. I'm really not fussed. Like that. That looks better with them in anyway. There, like that. Okay. So, let me just see. Do you know what I do have? I've got the same sort of thing in gold. But it does depend. I need 6 of them. And a teardrop one. I can always use that. Just on the ends. Like that. Okay, let's have a look. That, I like that. I like that arrangement. But I've only got one of these and I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to use it. If I had one more I'd use it, but I haven't. Nope, that was the last one. That shouldn't be in there. Right, okay. No, I'm happy with that. That'll do. So I think that is a nice page. Just keep that down. Keep that down. And keep that down. And another page. So we're going to go on to this one now. Right, so and then add that one into the centre, and that's got the bit of pink on that page, hasn't it? Yeah, I think we'll do that. Okay. Now I want to put something here, like another picture, and I have that. It's just beautiful. So I need to put the beading around it for now. Let me just move these out of the way.